So welcome friends, how to create Addmefast account. Yeah, we have to create Addmefast account. First of all, I'll tell you what is Addmefast. Addmefast is a network that helps you to grow your social presence. You can get likes, subscribers, followers, viewers, and also money. You can make money with this. So I'll show you each and everything, and we will start with sign up process. So if you are new on our channel, can kindly subscribe this channel for more informative videos. So if you haven't created account on Addmefast, then get the link from description of this video. Simply, Addmefast is online marketing tool that will help you to make money online, increase viewership, and promote your content. So first of all, go to description for the link of this website, and then you will be redirected to this page. For registration, you just need an email. So let me choose my email and then password. Then repassword. Again, enter your password. Your password should be 8 characters long, and then I fill the captcha and then just tap at sign up button. Yeah, you can see congratulations, your registration completed successfully. To able to log in your account, please check your email and confirm account. So let me check my email. Yeah, Addmefast admin, I have received an email. So just tap it, click here to confirm, and choose any browser. I'll choose Chrome data for this process. Now, yeah, you can see my account is confirmed. So let me log into this Addmefast account for further process. Well, let me log in my account. Just tap at login. After entering your data, then just read these terms and the conditions and just tap at agree button. Now our dashboard is available for us now. Welcome, you have 200 points so far, and we have many options like Facebook likes, Facebook share, Facebook followers, Facebook post like. It means you can make or increase your points, get your points by doing all these tasks. Okay, like website hits, Twitter followers, YouTube views, YouTube subscribe. Lot of things you can do here. You can see you have opportunity to get free traffic exchange. Okay, so you can read out these points from here, but we will go through the exact things. I'll subscribe a YouTube channel to get points. Wait for some seconds, I'll show you the whole process. YouTube subscribe, just tap at YouTube subscribe, and you can see this is a channel Brady Man, and if I subscribe this channel, I'll get 3 points. So wait 2 or 3 seconds after subscribe and then close pop-up. So just tap a subscribe button. This will refer me to the YouTube, and I'll subscribe this channel. Then after, this is exact that channel which I have to subscribe. So I'll be here at home and just tap it subscribe button. Now just wait for 2 or 3 seconds and close this pop-up. Now it says oops, something went wrong, you are closing pop-up too fast and haven't done the task. It means they are saying that something went wrong, so just you should wait for some 5 to 10 seconds to done this job. But we will go through another point. For example, I'll show you the exact strategies too. You can also add your own YouTube channel by tapping at add button, and you can also promote your own YouTube channel using this free traffic source. So just tap at daily bonus to know all about how can you get daily bonus. Get 400 and more bonus points. Only daily active users can get bonuses if you are active on this platform. For example, if you are using the addmefast.com website daily, on daily basis, if you are working on it for 5 to 10 minutes, then you can get 400 points per day. You have another opportunity to make money using this site by exchanging these points into dollars. Just I'll show you how many money I have so far. 0.006 dollars. And they have a referral program with 30 points for 300 points for each referral. So you can copy this link and share with your friends to get more clicks on your this website. And for each successful referral you will get 300 points. It means that you will earn commission, means money on this site. So this is the exact and best strategy for you to make money online. And if you have time, then you can work on it for at least 1 hour or 30 minutes by doing some mini tasks on it, and can make awesome money on this website. So I'll show you some other features of this website. By tapping at my sites, you can add your own site. Just tap at add site button and choose a type. For example, let me choose Facebook followers and countries. You can target any country or select worldwide. Just title and then page URL, total clicks and daily clicks, and CPC, yani it means cost per click. How many points do you want to spend for each click on your website, on your link? So after filling these queries or these text boxes, just tap at save changes and your website will be active. So thanks for watching this video.